To Mohammad Nawaz. A 4-over spell, 17 for the 3 important wickets, and he also becomes the leading wicketer of the tournament with 10 scalps. And Mr. Qamar Zaman Khaira will stay on to present the Super Soft Dishwash Bar Striker of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Saim Ayub. 36 of 33 and 6 fours to his name, providing the impetus up the order for Pakistan and setting the platform in this final chase. Next award will be presented by Mr. Shabbir Ahmed. He will present the Super Asia Fielder of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Babar Azam. 3 takes, one of them quite spectacular, running in from the boundary and made sure he kept the ball in play as well. Next award will be presented by Mr. Kazim Mujtaba. It is the Jazz Superpower of the Day cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Shaheen Shah Afridi. Picking up the opener in Patum Nisanka, a very well disguised slow delivery, and returns figures of 3 of 18 tonight. Next award will be presented by Mr. Abdul Rashid, the Hello Hair Shampoo 100% Confident All-Rounder of the Match award, 1 lakh rupees to Saim Ayub. To go along with his 36 of 33 up the order, he returned figures of 4 over spell, 17 for 1 in the first half of the game. Can I please ask Mr. Danial Rashid to come forward to present the Inverex EV Electrifying Batter of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Kamil Mishara. From Sri Lanka, really good hand, 59 of 47, struck it at 125, and more importantly, 4 big sixes in that innings. Moving on, Mr. Farhan Qureshi will come forward to present the KFC Feel Good Performance of the Match cash award of 2 lakh rupees to Babar Azam. Mentioned the fielder of the match with the 3 catches, but this one in particular, from the delivery of Saim Ayub to get rid of Kamil Mishara, ran in brilliantly and held on to the catch from long off. Now then, moving on, it is the player of the match time, and it is Mohammad Nawaz. He will come forward he's the player of the match. He will sign the bat for Vigotel Mobile Collaboration Project in association with the Almara Foundation. He's been really good with the ball throughout the tournament, and he will now get the Vigotel Mobile Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 300,000 from Miss Hiramani. It is a player of the match, Mohammad Nawaz. 4 overs, 17 for 3. Wickets of Mendes, Lianage and Hasaranga. And also, like I mentioned earlier, 10 wickets in the tournament. Moving on, Mr. Mohsen Naqvi and Mr. Danial Rashid will come forward to present the Inverex EV Electrifying Batter of the Match. Electrifying Batter of the tournament, it is the Inverex Zio car to Sahibzada Farhan. Big roar from his cheers from his team. That is because he has hit 191 in the tournament, the highest score of 80, 146 the strike rate, and an average of 47.75. Moving on, Mr. Naveed Gaba will now present the Vigotel Mobile Player of the Series trophy and cash award of 500,000 to Mohammad Nawaz. He has been brilliant with the ball. Player of the match tonight and player of the series. 10 wickets in the tournament at an average of 10, economy of under 6. And we'll have a word with him as well. 52 runs, sent him back earlier after the player of the match because he was going to return for player of the series. Nawaz, शानदार परफॉर्मेंस. सबसे पहले बताएं कि जो ऑलराउंडर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आपके ऊपर, ना सिर्फ रन्स को रोकना बट विकेट लेके देना इन दैट मिडिल फेस, उसको कितना ज़्यादा रिलिश करें?
जी बिल्कुल, जिस तरह से फॉर्म जा रही है और जब भी टीम को ज़रूरत होती है उस वक्त पे आके डिलीवर करना किसी भी प्लेयर के लिए एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट होता है और इसी से आपकी जो गेम है वो भी इम्प्रूव होती है और आपको और ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, आप और ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं चीज़ों को।
आपका रिटर्न हुआ T20 साइड में, एशिया कप से लेके आपकी शानदार परफॉर्मेंस रही। जो बॉलिंग का जो एतबार है उस पर आपने किन चीज़ों पे काम किया, क्या आप करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि आप उस मिडिल पीरियड में जो है तो जो प्लेयर सेटल नहीं हो पाते या उनकी विकेट लेना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है।
आई थिंक बिल्कुल कोचेस के साथ प्लान करते हैं और चीज़ों को कोशिश करता हूँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिंपल रखूँ, क्योंकि एज ए फिंगर स्पिनर आपके पास ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस होती नहीं हैं, तो जितना आप चीज़ों को सिंपल रखें और बेसिक पे अपनी रहें तो आपको हेल्प मिलती है। और जिस तरह से अच्छी चीज़ें चल रही हैं तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि बस अपने माइंड को स्विच ऑन रखूँ, गेम अवेयरनेस, गेम की सिचुएशन को रीड करूँ, क्या बैट्समैन चाह रहा है और आई थिंक उस चीज़ में मैं थोड़ा अच्छा रीड करूँ गेम को।
गेम को रीड करने की ज़रूरत तब भी पड़ती है क्योंकि बैटिंग में उस मिडल ऑर्डर फिनिशर्स रोल की बात करते हैं, जब चेस कर रहे हो या जब स्कोर सेट करना हो, तो उस चीज़ को आप किस तरह से देखते हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभार ज़रूरत पड़ती है एक थोड़ा सा स्टैंड देने की और कभी कभार आपको तेज़ रन चाहिए होते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, कोशिश करता हूँ अगेन गेम की सिचुएशन क्या डिमांड कर रही है, अगर तो थोड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड करनी है तो कोशिश करता हूँ उस जगह पे जाके पार्टनरशिप को बिल्ड करूँ। टीम को मुश्किल है तो थोड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड करें, और अगर सिचुएशन डिमांड कर रही है कि जाके काउंटर अटैक करना है और तेज़ रन हम चाहिए तो मैं उसी तरह अपने माइंड को जो है वो गेम को देखता हूँ, जैसे ही क्रीज पे जाता हूँ तो सिचुएशन को रीड करके उस हिसाब से खेलने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
बहुत ही शानदार लगा थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट विद बैट एंड बॉल। many congratulations and go well for the next series.
Thank you very much.
That was Mohammad Nawaz, player of the match and player of the series, talking about the control that he has with the ball. He's obviously learned and been tracking with the coaches in terms of the lengths that he has to hit. Tries to keep it simple in his head, understands the game situation, the awareness. Asked him about the middle phase where he's got to keep the runs in control and wickets. So just been working through the repertoire. Even spoke about the runs required in terms of chases or setting up scores with the bat. Obviously, he's been enjoying all of those opportunities and he's come good in this tournament. Now, can I please invite the Sri Lankan captain to come and have a chat? It's been a bit of a rocky ride, has had his ups and downs. Dasun Shanaka will join me. Dasun, you spoke about it on multiple occasions. It's not the Sri Lankan side and you are better than this. You had two really good games in a row, but once again not enough runs on the board.
Yeah, see, we expected the wicket to behave better than this, but you know, they bowled really well in that middle part. But at the same time, we had the chance to capitalize since we had we got a really good start. At the same time, we must realize to whom we must take the chances when we play spin, especially left-hander getting out for spinners and the right-hand batsman getting out for left-hand spinners. So we could have not taken those chances. We need to fine-tune little things when we play international cricket, but we take it as a part of our learning. So hopefully we'll correct all this stuff before going for the World Cup, and especially we are playing against Pakistan in January. So we are looking forward for that series. Hopefully we'll fine-tune our mistakes and we'll do better in that series.
Yeah, you sum it up quite magnificently. It's not that somber considering you've still reached the final of this, but there are plenty of positives to take out. Like you mentioned, with the T20 World Cup round the corner, most of the matches in your backyard as well. Plenty of positives still to take out of this.
Yeah, of course. See, starting from Kamil Mishara, Pathum Nissanka, Kusal Mendis, and when it comes to the bowling, Chamira bowled really well in this tournament, and Mahesh, Vanidu Hasaranga, and of course all the other bowlers contributed. And at the same time, she showed that intent in the field. So that's a very good positive. And yeah, we'll see, because I know that our team is a quality team. So hopefully we can do well in that Pakistan series and the World Cup. So I'm very confident about that.
You mentioned at the toss that you like being in Pakistan. You've enjoyed your time at the PSL as well. How has the overall couple of weeks been here?
Yeah, see, we enjoyed as a group this tournament. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to go out, but the company of the Pakistan players and the Zimbabweans, I got a lot of friends among the two teams, and of course the force has been magnificent. They supported in every occasion. It's not easy to manage all these road traffics and everything. I must thank all these forces and of course PCB for making sure the safety of us, and we'll see in future. Would like to come to Pakistan again and play some good cricket.
Dasun, it's been a pleasure having you. It's been a pleasure watching. Thank you very much for everything and go well for the future.
Thanks.
Dasun Shanaka, the runner-up captain for Sri Lanka. And now can I please invite Salman Ali Agha, the victorious skipper tonight and in this Tri-Nation Series. 6 wins out of the last 7 T20Is. Found a slight road bump in that previous game, and you said you'd like to get the job done. What a way to do it in the end.
Yeah, it was a great performance from us, and I think it's been like very good 2 months from us. We have played South Africa and then Sri Lanka with both one days and T20. We have been doing really well, and we just want to continue in the coming future as well.
Now, Salman, the important point is obviously the learnings out of this, considering the bigger picture is the T20 World Cup, and in spite of having a rotation policy, multiple match winners, instant victorious must give you a lot of confidence in the 11 and the bench.
Yeah, before going to that mega event, you always want to have like those 15 ready, and in World Cup you never know what will happen to anyone. If God forbid anything happen to your main player, you know that your bench strength is always ready as well. So we just wanted to give everyone a chance, and everyone is chipping their role very well, and I'm very happy with that.
That's also a big thing, the understanding of roles that have been allotted to various players. In spite of a few players out of their comfort zones, they're all chipping in. What's the camaraderie been like between you and the players, and especially with the new coaching staff?
Yeah, it's been like 4-5 months now. We have indulged every role every player need to do, and they are doing really well, and I really hope they can continue like that in the future as well. I think it's a time now, like it's been 5-6 months now, everyone knows their role and they are doing well as well, so I really hope they can continue.
And you think you've got all the boxes checked for the mega event, or still a few aspects you'd like to brush up on?
I think we are pretty much ready for the World Cup, but we still have like 6 games for that. We will, if we need to try anything, we will definitely try, but I think we are very close to those like 15 plays.
And I think it is time for you to go lift that trophy. Can I please ask Mr. Mohsin Naqvi and Mr. Naveed Gaba to come forward to present the Vigo Telemobile Tri-Nation Series Champions Trophy to Pakistan. They win this contest comfortably by Pakistan. They win this contest comfortably by 6 wickets, and the Pakistan captain Salman Ali Agha will lift that winner's trophy, and a time to celebrate for Pakistan. They've been phenomenal in terms of all the games they've played, and it is happy memories for the team in green. Congratulations, Pakistan. Salman Ali Agha will take that trophy to his winning side in front.
Pakistan unbeaten in 5 series in the home season across 3 formats. That's a big deal. 4 consecutive wins in white ball series and 21 wins in T20Is in 2025, the most for them in any year. So this has been a special season for Salman Ali Agha and his men. And it's a proud moment, not only for the team but for the fans also. Backed them to the hilt and finally are getting the results. It has become a well-oiled white ball cricket team. Second time they won a tri-series this year. It's been tremendous stuff from them.